Welcome back to Learn SKN, and today we have a very interesting video for you. As promised, CSEC said that they would release the topics for the 2021 examination, and so I managed to get my hands on a copy of the document where they outline the topics for various exams. And it's an interesting document, and you'll see why it is interesting as we go through. Alright, so this is supposed to be the release of the topics for examination 2021 from CSEC. So let's just dig through and see what is what. So that's 47 pages long. And so we have the Caribbean Examination Council, in response to the need of its stakeholders amidst the challenges presented by COVID-19, has provided the main areas of study to be used as a guide in preparing for the paper 2 and paper 3 examination scheduled for June, July 2021. However, comprehensive knowledge of the syllabus is critical in preparation for CSEC examinations. As a result, the multiple choice paper will continue to assess the entire syllabus. Right? So let's just go through here now. Main areas of focus for June, July 2021 examination for paper 2 and paper 3. So agricultural science, double award. Land preparation and farm machinery. Crop management, disease control. Animal nutrition and management. Animal ration. You have animal products, farm organization and planning, marketing of agricultural products, bee management and production. That's paper 2 for double awards. Paper 3 for double awards, you have environmental monitoring, technologies for non-conventional crop production, management practices for livestock, pest and disease, harvesting, post-harvesting management and value addition, post-production, handling and processing of livestock, agro-engineering, farm structures and farm buildings, entrepreneurship in agriculture, financial statements and SWOT analysis, communication, agribusiness. And then for the single award, there's no paper 3, but you have land preparation and farm machinery, crop management, animal nutrition and management, animal products, farm organization and planning, marketing of agricultural products, bee management and production. So if you look at the syllabus for economics and compare it to what they say will be coming on paper 2, we'll see that they have left out quite a few. So you have up to 8 topics here on the syllabus. You have the nature of economics, and then of course the production, economic resources and resource allocation. So I'm not seeing the nature of economics on this one. Define economics, the branch of economics, meaning of the economy, describe the main economic agent. Okay, explain concept of scarcity, opportunity cost. So I am not seeing that one on the agenda. That's why production starts from 2. So they took out section 1 is in essence for paper 2, but remember, paper 1 will cover everything, so you still have to study it. Paper 1 covers everything, so you still have to study it. And then we are looking at what else. So they left out 1, and so they jumped to 2, 3, 4, market structure and market failure. The financial sector, economic management. Let's see, no, there's no economic management. There is no economic management, so that's not, so section 6 is out. We have international trade. And that's about it. So that's 1 to 5 topics. So they eliminated 3 of them. So the 3 they would have taken out would be 1 and also 6 and 8. 1, 6 and 8 out. 1, 6 and 8 looks like out. Economic management and policy goals. Okay, good. So 1, 6 and 8 are out for paper 2. But if you look at paper 3, we have them over here. The nature of economics is there. The same one there, the management policies and goals, it's there. Caribbean economies in the global environment, it's there. So it seems as though some that they took from paper 2, they put in paper 3, and they took out some from paper 3, if that's what we're seeing here. For economics in particular, if you compare the syllabus to the topics that they have listed. But like I said, you have to cover almost everything, because you have to know some information about everything, because paper 1, as I said up there, is going to cover the entire syllabus. So that's economics. Now let's go on to our other subject here. that we deal with, and that would be principles of business. But look at that, section 12579. 12579. So we have the nature of business, that's 1, and then 2, the international organizational environment. But then the skip 3, which would have been establishing a business. They also skip 4, which would have been legal. Oh man, that's a good one. That's a good one, man. I should have keep in the one about contracts and stuff. That's a good section. You can make some real, breach of contract, insurance. That would have been a good one to leave in, but anyway, they didn't know what they're doing. Then you have 5. So 4, so 3 is out, 4 is out, 6 is out. 6 is what? Marketing. Wow. They took out marketing from paper 2. That's interesting, right? Marketing is out. And then we have, of course, the newest one, logistics and supply chain. They took out 8. Oh, you got to be joking. They took out business finance. They took out some of the easiest topics are gone. They took out business finance, for real. Now things like the role of the government in an economy, they want expositions. They want a lot of writing of epistles and stuff like that. Because a lot of the ones that they took out, like business finance, seriously. And then legal aspects, come on. But hey, that's at least they give us some topics, so we can't really complain that much. But I'm disappointed that they took out some of the easier topics. Alright, this is paper 3. This paper will consist of a case from which information will be used to develop a business plan. Candidates will use the information based on the question posed on the case. Complete a business plan template. A, operational plan. Section B, marketing plan. Section C, financial plan. So that's basically it for the paper 3. All right, so as you can see, they outline a whole lot of other subjects here. So if you're doing this subject, I guess they will post it on the website eventually, but if not, I'll leave a link in the description for you to get your hands on this document. So you look through the document for your other subjects, and they'll be able to let you know what is what. So we have agricultural science here again. That's CAPE now. So that's CAPE. We're not going to touch CAPE. Look at MOB for CAPE only, just MOB. Let's look at MOB for CAPE. I think I have the syllabus there. Here we go, MOB. So let's open up the syllabus for MOB. Alright, so this is the syllabus for MOB, Unit 1. And as you can see, when you compare this, they start from business ethics and corporate social responsibility. And so that's all the way 4 objectives into business and its environment for module 1. That's 4 all the way in. So they eliminated business objectives. They eliminated I could see why they would eliminate this, economic sector and legal structures, because this is a POB topic also. That's why they eliminated that one. I could understand that. And types of economic activity, these are a rehash of things you would have done in POB. So I can see why it makes sense to eliminate those. And so they jump in from when it's fresh, and you have business ethics and corporate social responsibility. Then we have impact of globalization on business. So you have globalization on business. So they basically eliminated the decision-making process. So decision-making, gone, cut from the exam for paper 2. And then they jump to impact of globalization on business. And that would be in module 1. And then they go on to the function and theories of management. The functions and theories of management. And so that would be the more things like Maslow and those things. We have them right here. The function and theory of management. Sorry, that would not be Maslow. That's motivation. Sorry, but the function and theory of management. So they have that one in, and then they jump to theory and application of motivation. So let's look at that one. Theory and application of motivation. So we're at module 2 now. So they skip organizational structure. Again, I can see why that would have been done in POB stuff. So they've gone all the way to theory and application motivation. So you have to learn about Maslow, and then you have to apply what you know about Maslow to motivation. And we did some past papers on Maslow. Good thing. And then so they go on from the leadership. So they jump to leadership from Maslow. well, motivation to leadership. So 3 and 4 in it. Leadership is in it. And then they eliminated source of finance. So not eliminated, but eliminated everything before source of finance. So that's group and team management, causes of conflict, gone, management change, gone, communication in business, gone. And so we're now up to human resource management, gone it seems. And then so we go down to module 3 now, and we have the source of finance. All right, the source of finance. And then they have components of financial statements. Naturally, that's going to be components of financial statements. Components of financial statements, so that's 6. And then we have financial statement analysis. Financial statement analysis. So they would have eliminated a whole lot. Need for accounting information, criteria for seeking finance, money, capital markets, and international financial institutions, gone. They didn't start with need for capital. All that is gone. So you can see what they decided to take out and what they left in for the topics. And like I say, you still have to cover all for the paper 1. Unit 2, we have starting with, so they're starting with capacity planning. Capacity planning. And so nature of the production, no. Forecasting techniques, no. Product design strategies, no. Capacity planning. So they start from 4, capacity planning. And then they have inventory management. So we have inventory, so capacity planning, skip 5, skip 6, and jump to 7, inventory management. And then we have techniques for improving quality. And so so that's 8. And then we have lean production, that's also 8. 8 is quality management, and lean production, that's 8. And then we have characteristics of a marketing concept. And so they've gone down to module 2, unit 2, module 2. And they have the concept of marketing, boom, right there. On to stages of marketing research. They have marketing environment. So 2 is gone, 3 is gone, 4 is there, marketing research. So that's good. And from that, they jump to principles of market segmentation. So all that would be under, so that's 5, principles of market segmentation, 5 in module 2. And so they jump down to now the nature of characteristics of entrepreneurship. So they skip production management, they skip pricing, they skip distribution management, promotion strategy gone, internet marketing gone. Now to unit module 3, we have nature and characteristics of entrepreneurship. Here we go. So it's right here, the nature and characteristics of entrepreneurship. So that's for module 3. That's the first one of out the bat. Can't even miss that. And then they have the major challenges and opportunities faced by small businesses. So what they have, business economics, no, they skip 2. And now they're going to 4. So they skip 2 and 3, going to 4. Major challenges of the opportunities faced by small businesses. And then they have importance of the section of the business plan for small business. And so of course they're going to touch the business plan for that. So the business plan is right here. So make sure you look at the important parts of the business plan. All right, so that's basically it for the subjects that we cover here on the channel. But like I said, we're going to put up this document so that you can browse, look at other subject areas, and you compare it to the syllabus. Remember, all syllabus are available on CSEC's website for free. You don't have to buy it, and you can compare on the website to know what is coming for your subjects. We went through our economics, we went through our POB and MOB, and we also went through our ag science. So now the rest is up to you. Go on, download the document, and see what's coming, see what's not. All right. So that's it for now. That's it for now for this video. And like I said, CSEC is coming. Get ready. Look at the videos. Look at the past papers, and try and do your best for the upcoming CSEC 2021. All right, so that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening.